Hey everybody, today you'll be watching the Doug Trio open up some Pokemon card packs. Who wants to go first?
Okay, I'll gladly go.
Okay.
Ooh, I got a Rapid Strike.
A Rapid Strike Remoraid.
I got a Cherubi.
A Cherubi.
A Pargachu, whatever.
A Parcherusu.
A Spearow.
Spearow.
Minferno.
Minferno.
Rapid Strike.
Rapid Strike Minferno.
Rapid Strike.
And a Weninbell.
Galarian Slowbro.
Galarian Slowbro.
With a Fire Energy.
Fire Energy.
And then, there we go. You got a Fire Energy.
Honchkrow.
Honchkrow.
Bruxish.
Bruxish.
And a Carvine.
Carvine.
Rapid Strike.
Yep.
Now I'll open my next pack.
Everybody, at first I was wondering what a Rapid Strike was. A Rapid Strike is a water-type Urshifu, and a Single Strike is a Dark-type Urshifu, in case you didn't know.
Okay,
Now,
so
his second pack, Venipede,
Bounsweet,
Bounsweet,
Lapras,
Lapras,
Blitzel, Rapid Strike,
Rapid Strike Blitzel,
Aeron, whatever,
Aggron, Aeron, yeah.
Coughing,
and
looky what we've got here. Right after a Weezing.
yep, here we go. Got a Weezing.
Dark Energy, woohoo!
Dark Energy, okay.
Rugged Helmet.
Rugged Helmet.
Ooh-hoo-hoo. I can't really pronounce it.
A Crabominable.
And then Doctor. My next pack. I got a Murkrow. I could
Murkrow?
use him for my Murkrow. Horsey. Cherubi. Lickitung. Electabuzz. Bronzor. Another Galarian Slowbro.
Again.
Metal Energy this time.
Metal Energy.
Escape Rope.
Ooh, an Escape Rope.
Wait! This is in the actual Pokemon game. I got
A Tower of Waters. Remember I was talking about Urshifu? This is where you get a Rapid Strike Urshifu.
Oh, also, if you don't know who Urshifu is, this is a
That's a
G-Max
VMAX.
one on the front. Luxio. Now, let's open my last pack. Got another Parcherubi.
Pirachisu.
A
Chimicho.
Honage. Horsia.
Another Horsey.
A Mankey Single Strike.
A Single Strike Mankey.
Cheerio, whatever.
Cheryl. Vivillewin.
Fighting Energy. This is also from the game. Swordworth and Shieldbert. Crawdaunt. And then
Doublade.
Doublade, and Jolteon.
That was his last pack, so I will go next. I'm not that good at opening packs, so sorry if this takes a little bit. Okay, I got a single strike Shuppet. Ooh, I got a Kubfu.
He's a person before Urshifu.
Blitzel.
Single strike. Sorry,
Rapid
rapid
strike.
strike.
Quillfish.
Single strike.
Galarian Slowpoke. Expedition Uniform.
Oh my! Metagross VMAX Rainbow.
I gotta go.
Rapid strike.
Single strike. Scroll of Piercing. That's all for my first pack. Second pack. Okay. A Clobopus. A Castform. Ice type. Hatena. Aeron. The one I got. Routes. Weeding Gloves.
And again.
And a Tornadus VMAX!
Electric Energy. Porygon 2.
Single strike.
Kakuna. Single strike. And Flannery. Single strike. Third pack. I got a Ghastly. A Ladybug. A Porygon. Swirlix. Rapid Strike Sneasel. Aeron. Rapid Strike Malamar. Metal Energy. Dynatree Hill. Steenie. And a single strike Karen's Conviction. Okay, my last pack. Snover, Rapid Strike, single strike. A Blitzel, Rapid Strike. Ghastly. Coughing. Delibird. Jane, you gonna get in the video or what?
Oh, sorry.
Or the
A
Trio.
single strike Survivor. A Salsbuck. No, he did not. Yes, I did. A Fire Energy. Weeding Gloves. Porygon 2. Another Flammery. Okay, that was all my cards, so now
Now
it is
I'm
going to be
go.
Jaden's turn.
Now I'm gonna go. Let me just switch.
Let's go look. But if you...
Okay, so I got a Polynard,
Put it really close to the screen so they can see it.
a Mankey, a Slidspeed,
Make sure they can
Put
see
your
it.
stuff
Okay?
over here, Jaden.
a Baltoy, a Timber,
A Rapid Strike Energy. Ooh, a V. Cricketune V.
All of
A
us have
Fighting
a
Energy. Heatamore. A Spearow. And an Escape Rope. Now for the
where's
second
your
pack.
cricket?
Okay, I got an Onyx. Another Slitopede. A Glameow. A Galarian Slowpoke. A Yamper. A Gligar. And another V.
A single strike Urshifu V. Wow.
Wow.
Keep
A Psychic Energy. A Buffaloant.
Buffaloant. Some
Yes,
people
sorry.
pronounce it Buffaloant.
Crawdaunt. And Grumpig. Okay, I got an Electabuzz. A Baltoy.
Hey,
A
Gene.
Gligar.
Don't show them anymore. Guys, let's make a vote. Who thinks that Jaden will get another V in this pack? Just think about that.
Okay, let's continue. I got a Salamzit. A Bronzor. An XP Share. And another V.
Wow, another Rapid Strike Urshifu V, just like we all probably thought. Because Jaden is definitely lucky.
Really lucky.
An Electric Energy. A Pignite.
That's exactly who I knew.
Rapid Strike Scroll of Squirrels.
Okay, that's actually cool.
And another Buffaloant. And in my fourth pack, I got a Kathleen, a Mareep, a Single Strike Rockruff, a Swirlix, a Lapras, a Deerling, a Path to the Peak Stadium card, a Rapid Strike Zangoose, a Dark Energy, a Rapid Strike Drizzle, a Jolteon, and a Peony.
Okay, everybody, that is going to be the end of our video. But before we stop, I need to tell you, I got inspired to do this by probably one of my favorite YouTubers. They also open up Pokemon card packs. The link to their video is PokeGang. Okay, so long. See you next time. Please subscribe.
And like.